Is your 2019-2021 Toyota Sequoia key fob acting up, delayed response, or not working at all? A dead battery is the likely culprit. Replacing it yourself is easy, saves money, and takes just a few minutes. This video will guide you through the process step by step. You only need a couple of simple tools: a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. Plastic is recommended to avoid scratches, and a new CR2032 battery. CR2032 batteries are widely available at most stores or online for around $3 to $5. Make sure to get a quality brand for longer life. Locate the seam on your key fob, usually along the back or side. Gently insert your flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool into the seam. Carefully twist to pry the two halves of the fob apart. Be gentle to avoid cracking the plastic. If your fob has a physical key, make sure it doesn't fall out. Once the fob is open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Note the orientation of the battery, specifically which side is facing up, usually the positive side, marked with a plus. Use your tool to gently pry the old battery out of its holder. Do not use excessive force. Insert the new CR2032 battery into the holder, making sure the positive side is facing the correct way, usually up. It should snap easily into place. Double-check the orientation to ensure proper function. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob and press them firmly together until they snap back into place. Ensure the seam is closed completely. A properly closed fob prevents moisture damage and ensures the battery stays secure. Now test the key fob to ensure it works properly after the battery replacement. Press the buttons to lock and unlock your Sequoia's doors. Test the panic alarm by pressing and holding the panic button. If your vehicle has remote start, test that function as well. If the key fob doesn't respond, double-check that the battery is oriented correctly with the positive side up and make sure you're using a fresh, fully charged CR2032 battery. If your key fob isn't working after replacement, first ensure you're using a high-quality CR2032 battery. Cheap knockoff batteries can fail within months due to inconsistent voltage. Next, clean the battery contacts inside the key fob using a soft cotton swab. This removes any corrosion or debris that might prevent proper electrical connection. If the key fob still doesn't work after trying a new battery and cleaning, it may have internal damage. Look for signs of water exposure, cracks, or burnt circuitry. For damaged key fobs, seek professional repair or replacement from your Toyota dealer. They can diagnose electronic faults and provide genuine parts. Always use plastic pry tools instead of metal ones to prevent scratching the key fob case. Properly dispose of old batteries at recycling centers to protect the environment.